4516 Seagull Drive. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo in Port Richey. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, glass top range, tons of natural light in this condo. Got a high top bar you can serve. The view is spectacular, overlooking the water. Master bedroom. Dual bowl vanities. Garden tub. Spacious walk-in closet. There's also a sliding door, as you can see. It goes out to the balcony as well. It's a split floor plan with the remaining 2 bedrooms on this side. Ceiling fans throughout the condo. And this bedroom also has a very spacious walk-in closet. And here's the second bath. If you'd like more information about this property, please contact us at www.makitharentals.com or contact me directly at 813-294-1970.